to a meeting and told them I want to speak to the manager.
I was embarrassed. Why VGA me?
Dude, I want to have a song with Rihanna.
Oh, the seaside.
Oh yeah, bullying there. There used to be this big girl.
Hello guys, my name is Akua Addo and today I am here to face the fans at MX24. Let's do this. As an air hostess all the time, because I was taught growing up I had long legs and I couldn't wait to wear the uniform and then be in the plane. I love to travel all my life, so I thought it was a bigger opportunity to see the world. Growing up, we have so many things we want to be, but then life has a very funny way that it hits you, and I accepted all the challenge that it gave me, and here I am today. People say I'm your fashion icon. What do you say? I think it has always been there. Back in the days, we used to have something called laboro. Now we term it as stylists. I had so many friends that would come to me and I'll give them clothes, and in school I'll either take sardine, I'll either take their shito way back in secondary school. So I think it has always been there till our very own Oscar Dewey had a fashion contest and I won. I was one of the winners few times, and then it kicked me. This has always been there. Why don't I make a living out of it? And here I am today. For me, it's more of just wanting to be better and wanting to put Ghana on the globe. It's not about competition for me because I can never do it alone. It's about trying to cross over. So usually I look at what is happening around the world, which because of social media, we are in a global world. It's very easy to get information to you. So it's always been the world as the landmark. Confident, intelligent, very beautiful woman, with or without clothes. Yes. The theme, the occasion, basically, yes. Never. Whenever I'm dressing, controversy never comes to mind, but rather what I do generates public interest. Like when I'm about to go to the red carpet and I post a DHL box, the excitement, the comment where people can't wait. I've been able to put my brand out there, which associates itself with class, fabulosity and style. And it's not about controversy, it's about a woman who knows her worth, who knows what she's about, to celebrate me and to celebrate women around the world. I take them all in. I pray to God and ask for direction, and I ask God to put me on the right path. And most importantly, my life coach would always guide me through it because it's part of my job and I need to learn how to live with it. So yeah, this is how I've always dealt with it. For me, it's a compliment because of what I do. I'm a married woman, so if you call me slay queen, related to what I do. It's a compliment, so I don't really take anything out of it or make anything out of it. Awkward. Oh gosh, there's so many of them. there's so many of them. I quite remember once on the red carpet at the Glet Star Awards where I had marks all over my face and I had the eagle on my shoulders, and I was coming and I saw a young guy running. And for me, for once, I was even scared. I had to even look around. I had even forgotten I had eagles on my shoulders. And it's like, oh, Johnny, it is you. And I'm like, oh my God, so it is me. So usually some of these things, I laugh at it, and yeah.
The most treasured item in your closet.
Oh wow, I can't say. I have quite a few. I think it would be a gift I had from, for now, not talking about clothes, but it's treasured because of who gave it to me. I think my husband, a Rolex watch he got me. Yeah. For me, it has always been being comfortable under your skin. That is my beauty. It is something money can't buy, and the moment you as a woman realize that, for me, that is true beauty. That's a beauty every woman needs to work out the moment you step out. Confidence. Oh gosh, quite a lot. It's a lot of them. I can't just mention one because it's a collective effort. One person can do this. It's their look. The men are stepping up their game. I think lately, even this year, I think the men have been very dominating as far as fashion is concerned and on the red carpet. Kudos to our gentlemen. You're doing great. It's quite a lot. I'll take in Yvonne Nelson because I think I quite remember growing up in movies. I can relate to her in her way of fashion, her sunglasses, her long legs, her heels. She was so fashionable, and I wanted to know who this lady was, and I think this is when the realization started. I think Yvonne Nelson, I think Kim, I think Beyonce, I think Jennifer Lopez, I think Lady Gaga. Yes. Well, I haven't used my status, but actually it actually comes to me for free even if I don't ask for it. You have brands that want to be associated with your brands. You have brands that want to connect with you, and they have a nice way of trying to get you nice present, nice gift, or nice acknowledgement. So usually I don't really need to go out to influence, but rather it comes to me and I'm humbled. I'm trying to find a balance for me. I try to differentiate Nana Akua Addo, and when I get home, I'm Adobia. Jesus's mother, Ohima Dokua's mother, and that has been the underlying word for me, finding the balance. It doesn't get to my head. I'm much grounded. When I'm home, I'm just like any other hardworking mother. I don't let my status get to me. I don't do this. In fact, my husband will tell you I'm a handsome mother. Yeah. It would be trust in God, because I'm here because of grace, not because I'm special, not because of anything particular or peculiar about me, but it's because of grace. When you look at the number of people out there, and when grace found you, it comes with blessing. So I'll always instill in my daughters that they should always seek God first, all the time. Nothing more, nothing else. It is safe because whatever one posts on social media is a controlled item, and I believe as a mother you would want to protect your child, so hence whatever you put out there will be controlled. Also for me, social media has been used as a platform to connect to families. Most importantly, I'm coming from an extended family. My immediate family don't live in Ghana. My husband's family don't live in Ghana, so it's a way of introducing, and they see my daughters and they trying to connect with us in a way we could never. Gosh, so many of them. But I think my major ones will be a man who doesn't respect time. My major, because I do respect time a lot. Wherever I grew up in Germany, and time is everything. And most of our Ghanaian gentlemen seems not to. They rather want a lady to wait upon them, which I deem it's a no. So my major turn-off will be time. If a man doesn't honor his time, yes. I have some few projects that we are working on. We've started over 2 years ago, and hopefully it should start. We should hear good news, probably by the end of the year, or close to the end of the year. Finger crossed. Love of my life. Any day, anytime, the love of my life. Any day, anytime, the love of my life. Any day, anytime. I think I'd rather love to travel anywhere, everywhere for free. The world is such a beautiful place, and there's so much beautiful sight to see, and I can't imagine missing out to food. Oh gosh. There's so many of them. That I like kanzo. Like seriously, when I come to your home and you've had jollof and there's no kanzo, like that's a deal breaker for me. Like I want the grill. I like the crunchiness of kanzo, so I love kanzo. Plain rice, I love kanzo. So I have a kanzo joint at Newtown where like every Sunday I go and I get my rice with my kanzo. Yes, I do love kanzo. Hello guys, my name is Akua Addo, and I just faced the fans at MX24.
Into meeting and told them I want to speak to the manager.
I was embarrassed. Why VGA me?
Dude, I want to have a song with Rihanna.
Oh, the seaside. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bully in there. There used to be this big girl.